Under moon, soft light, we whisper dreams. In your eyes, the starry sky gleams. With each heart beat love's sweet melody. You and I, forever, always free. Holding hands through life's chaotic storm. In your arms, my heart forever warm. Every smile, every tear we share. You and I, a sacred love affair. You're my everything, my heart's delight. In your love, my world feels oh so right. Every sunrise, every falling star, you're the reason I know who we are. Days go by, but they can't change our truth. Growing old, but we remain our youth. Even when the world seems torn apart, you're the anchor beating in my heart. Through the highs and lows we'll always be two souls entwined in perfect harmony. Love that started with a simple kiss, now it blossoms